The difference between an ordinary movie night and a breathtaking cinematic experience comes down to one thing: the projector. While standard laser projectors already deliver impressive performance, triple laser technology unlocks an entirely different level with dedicated red, green, and blue lasers, producing richer colors, higher brightness, deeper contrast, and stunning true-to-life 4K visuals. In this video, we're revealing the top 4 triple laser 4K projectors of 2026, the most powerful models that can transform any wall into a giant premium cinema. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a serious gamer, or simply want the ultimate home theater, these projectors are built to impress. You'll find links to all 4 projectors in the description below. Now, let's discover which one deserves a place in your home. Product 1. Hisense XR10 Triple Laser 4K Projector. A true RGB laser light engine drives pure primaries and smooth mid-tones, so skin, grass, and neon look clean instead of overcooked. Headline output hits up to 6,000 ANSI lumens, which means a 120-inch image that still holds punch in daylight, game, film, or sports at noon without pulling every shade. Color is the story. A pure triple laser engine avoids white segment tricks, so wide gamut coverage lands with saturated reds, deep blues, and stable greens. Bright scenes keep hue integrity instead of washing out, so daytime football fields stay green and anime palettes don't clip to pastel. A 7-level iris lets you tune black depth for your exact room, pushing native contrast performance up to a reported 6,000 to 1. In a dim theater, you'll step it down for inky shadows. In brighter spaces, you'll open it up for peak highlights. Either way, shadow detail stays readable. Sharpness is carried by an industry-first 17-element all-glass lens. Edges stay tack clean from 65 inches up to a wall-filling 300. High-temperature stability resists focus drift during long double features. Thermals are quietly handled by a liquid cooling loop, so fan noise fades behind dialogue. Solid-state lasers plus active cooling mean consistent brightness and color over years, with minimal maintenance compared to lamp swaps. Placement is flexible. A 0.84 to 2.0 to 1 optical zoom with vertical and horizontal lens shift gives inches of freedom without softening the image. You move the optics, not the furniture, to land a perfect 4K frame. From a cozy 65-inch study screen to a cinematic 120-inch living room and up to 300 inches in a dedicated space, geometry stays square and focus stays crisp. Motion handling remains clean for sports and fast cuts once you dial in your preferred processing. Format support checks premium boxes. Dolby Vision maps highlights with more nuance. IMAX Enhanced widens the canvas on select titles, and Active 3D brings back depth for compatible releases. Hisense's Vita OS corrals apps, live channels, and cloud gaming, with voice control for hands-free searches. DVLET-tuned acoustics give the built-ins respectable body and clarity, though a separate system will still win for impact. In practice, bright scenes hold color, dark scenes keep detail, and mid-tones glide without banding. Side by side, Dolby Vision grades retain specular texture where SDR clips, especially in sunset skies and chrome highlights. Who is it for? Viewers juggling ambient light, large images, and premium formats. XR10 blends luminous punch with optical discipline, so mixed-use rooms don't have to compromise. Specs snapshot. Triple laser RGB engine, up to 6,000 ANSI lumens. 7-step iris with up to 6,000.1 reported contrast. 17-element all-glass lens, liquid cooling. 0.84 2.0/1 optical zoom with vertical and horizontal lens shift. 65 through a 300-inch image size. Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and Active 3D. Vita OS with voice control. DVLET-tuned speakers. Price: $5,497.97. Product 2. Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro, a triple laser 4K projector you can roll onto any patio, living room, or campsite, complete with an Anker Solix C1000 power station for true off-grid movie nights. A calibrated 4K image driven by a triple laser light engine hits roughly 3,500 ANSI lumens and covers 1.07 billion displayable colors. ISF, TUV, and Dolby Vision certifications back accuracy, eye comfort standards, and dynamic tone mapping. Contrast is rated 5,000 to 1 natively, scaling up to 56,000 to 1 with dynamic control. In practice, neon signage pops while dark scenes keep shadow separation. Dolby Vision preserves highlights without crushing blacks. Sound is where it surprises. A wireless 7.1.4 Dolby Atmos system pushes up to 400 watts, steering effects overhead and around you, dialogue stays anchored, pans are clean, and bass carries outdoors. Portability is baked in, a rugged all-in-one chassis with integrated wheels and a telescopic handle. Roll it out, park it, press play. The Solix C1000 keeps the projector and speakers powered well past the end credits. Setup feels instant. Autofocus, auto keystone, screen fit, and obstacle avoidance snap the image into place. Zoom dials size without softness, while ambient and wall color adaptation correct tinted paint and mixed lighting. A 25-degree micro gimbal levels the frame on uneven patios and drives, keeping geometry square even if the ground isn't. Set it down and let the mount do the fine work. The image engine adapts to the room, ambient light, sensing trims, gamma, wall color mapping neutralizes casts on off-white paint, and zoom keeps clarity as you resize for game day or backyard cartoons. Flex Wave sweet spot steering is the party trick. Drag the listening sweet spot toward a couch corner so dialogue and score stay centered exactly where you sit. Dual far-field mics enable voice control across a party. Pause a trailer, bump volume, or switch inputs without leaving the grill. On first power-up, a quick firmware update expands dynamic contrast controls and smooths iris transitions. Updating to Android 14 trims UI lag and stabilizes app playback. Do both before your premiere. Indoors, Dolby Vision and ISF modes give you calibrated movie nights. Outdoors, the 3500 lumen triple laser keeps sports and animation vibrant at dusk and controlled ambient light. Picture presets surface clearly. Dolby Vision, ISF day and night, so you can lock accuracy or add punch for a backyard crowd without diving through hidden menus. The Solix C1000 bundle is the clincher. Plug-and-play power for the projector and wireless speakers means no extension cords, cleaner setups, and reliable runtime for double features. Taken together, triple laser brightness, 1.07 billion colors, certified tone mapping, 400-watt Atmos, flex wave steering, and roll anywhere power, the X1 Pro bundle lands at $5,299. Product 3, Samsung the Premier LSP9T, a triple laser 4K ultra short throw that lives inches from your wall and still throws a 100 to 130-inch image. Around 2,800 lumens means afternoon sports with blinds angled and effortless movie nights after dark. Placement is simple. Set it on a credenza a few inches out, square the chassis, and let the beam climb steeply up the wall. In bright rooms, tilt blinds and you'll keep colors punchy. At night, it turns the space into a credible cinema without ceiling mounts or long cables. Use the built-in geometry tools to true the rectangle and correct keystone on a flat, matte wall. Because the light path rises sharply, kids and pets naturally stay out of it. No coffee table shadows during game day. Samsung's UHD processor with per color keeps hues clean and gradients smooth. HDR support lifts highlights without crushing skin tone mids, so daylight scenes hold detail, while neon and speculars pop. Audio is built in, a 40-watt 4.2-channel system with clear dialogue and surprising bass for most rooms. Add a subwoofer if you want more low-end impact, but out of the box, it sounds full. Tizen brings a mature, fast app row, streamers, sports, casting, and device control so you can launch Netflix, Prime Video, or YouTube without an external box. App switching is quick and the UI feels like a smart TV. Voice control is on tap with Alexa and Bixby, search titles, change inputs, or power down hands-free. Far-field mics pick up naturally from the sofa with on-device toggles for privacy. Flip-on game enhancer to trim processing for quicker response. Sports and console play feel snappier, and motion stays clean without heavy soap opera artifacts. The compact chassis favors apartments and tight spaces. No ceiling drilling, no long HDMI runs. Cooling stays quiet under normal room noise, and power on is fast enough for quick episodes. Screen choice matters with UST. An ambient light-rejecting UST screen deepens blacks and fights overhead light. On a smooth matte wall, you can still get a sharp picture. Just budget time to align and calibrate. Quick setup checklist. level the cabinet, center the chassis, slide to size, then use geometric correction for edges and corners. Keep the beam path clear under the coffee table to avoid stray reflections. In ambient light, those 2,800 lumens hold up for news and sports. At night, HDR movies show saturated primaries from the triple lasers with smooth gradients and bright speculars. If a long throw can't breathe in your room, this UST formula, bright triple laser color, furniture-friendly placement, integrated 4.2-channel sound, and full-fat smart TV features, makes a living room feel like a theater. Price lands at $3,199.99. For small spaces that need big, sharp, and simple, the premier LSP9T earns its keep. Product 4. AWOL Valerion VisionMaster Pro 2, a triple laser 4K projector chasing true cinematic depth, vivid color, and living room simplicity. Brightness clocks around 3000 ISO lumens, readable with lamps on, punchy after dusk on an ALR screen. Contrast starts at 15,000 to 1, and enhanced black level lowers the floor so candlelit scenes keep shadow detail without gray wash. Color is wide, quoted at 110% Rec 2020, so saturated primaries pop, while skin tones keep micro contrast. Optics, a 0.9 to 1.5 times optical zoom, preserves clarity as you scale, with autofocus and auto keystone ironing out tricky placements. AI super resolution sharpens fine textures, think hair, foliage, and fabric without carving halos or ringing. HDR10 Plus with dynamic tone mapping adapts shot by shot, protecting specular highlights and holding mid-tone contrast. IMAX-level immersion claims translate as big-screen confidence. Pair it with a quality ALR screen for that front-row feel. Inside, the MT9618 platform with 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage keeps 4K streams responsive and app-switching snappy. Google TV Plus aggregates your services, while AirPlay 2, Miracast, and Chromecast make casting simple, plus voice control across major ecosystems. Gamers get unusually fast response, rated near 4 milliseconds with refresh up to 240 Hz on ultra-wide 21:9 and 32:9 formats. It feels future-proof for streaming, modern codecs, fast UI, and robust casting, so family movie nights and binge sessions just work. For buyers balancing color purity, meaningful black depth, streaming speed, and low latency play, VisionMaster Pro 2 lands at about $2,499.